Okay, so let's discuss the November 2021 Civil Engineering Licensure Examination Applied Mathematics problem. An engineer selects a sample of 5 iPads from shipment of 100 that contains 5 defectives. Find the probability that the sample contains at least one defective. So, itong problem na to is under statistics and probability na. So, yun nga, probability. So, ito yung choices. Actual choices to, no? And actual na tanong. So, solution mo natin. So, una, anong klaseng probability ba to? So, ito yung tinatawag na hypergeometric probabilities, no? So, ayan. Paano malaman na hypergeometric? Kagaya niyan. May binigay daw, no? 100 sample, no? Or sorry, 100 items, no? Tapos, 5 sample doon is, defective. Tapos, kukuha ka raw ng 5 sample. Di ba? So, parang may group tayo ng item, tapos kukuha tayo doon, tapos, ayun, tinatanong, ano daw yung probability na kukuha ka ng isa. So, yun na sample hypergeometric, no? So, anong kaibahan niya sa binomial? Kasi nalilito yung iba. Sa binomial, ang parang keyword doon is binigay yung probability ng isa. Unlike dito, may 100, di ba? Tapos, 5 daw yung defective. So, binigay mismo yung actual number. Pero kapag sa binomial naman, parang ang binibigay lang is probability. Kunwari, probability na makakuha ka ng defective is 1/2. So, ganun siya, di ba? So, yung pagkakaiba ng binomial sa hypergeometric. So, ito, hypergeometric. So, ayan, ang tinatanong is, probability na yung sample contains at least one defective. So, hanapin muna natin, no? Probability na one defective. Ayan, okay? So, syempre, ang shortcut natin yan sa hypergeometric, ilan ba? Kukuha daw tayo ng 5 out of 100. Kaya, 100C5. Then, ano daw yung probability na at least one defective? So, probability na one defective is out of 5 kasi 5 yung defectives, no? 5C1. Then, kung 5 yung defective, ibig sabihin 95 yung hindi defective. So, 95C4. Kasi yung isa doon sa 5, defective. So, yung 4, hindi. So, this is 0.211. So, ito pa ba yung sagot? So, wala pa. Kasi ang tanong, at least one defective. So, hahanapin din natin yung probability na, ayan, 2 defectives. So, same lang din, no? 5C2, 95C3. So, 5C2 kasi dalawang defective. So, 0.018. Then, tatlong defectives, 4 defectives, and 5 defectives. So, yung probability na hinahanap natin para makuha yon is ipag-a-add na lang natin yan lahat, no? Kasi at least one defective. So, 1 defective, 2 defectives, 3, 4, 5. So, lalabas sa sagot ay, ayan, 0.23. Di ba? So, sagot ay letter A. So, medyo mahaba, no? So, solution 2 natin, gagamit tayo ng tinatawag na probability of complement. Kasi ang tanong, probability na at least one defective. So, di ba equal lang rin yun sa 100% or 1 minus probability na no defective? Na-imagine nyo? Kasi, ano ba yung complement ng at least one defective? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, complement niya is no defective. So, equal lang siya sa 1 minus probability na no defective. So, ano probability na no defective? Ayan, kukuha tayo ng 0. 5C0 times, so lahat dapat is hindi defective. So, 95C5 over 100C5. So, pag tinype natin sa calculator, ang lalabas ay same lang, 0.23. Pero, mas maikli ang ating solution. So, ayan po ang tamang sagot. Letter A. So, thank you po for watching.